My name is Rahul and I am from Kerala. This is Kharkiv National Medical University, one of the oldest universities in Ukraine. And when we are talking about this university particularly, as the age passes, it has a lot of highly educated faculties. Like most of all the faculties are having PhD and more qualifications. Particularly all the streams, we have 6 faculties here, and especially for the foreign students, we have a special faculty, that's the 6th faculty, and we have a separate dean and vice dean for that, and they helps us a lot in every educational aspect.
My name is Sahil Dalal. I'm from India, Haryana, and my city is Bhiwani. I study in Kharkiv National Medical University, Ukraine, Kharkiv, and university is awesome, and teachers are very helpful. I guess there is no problem in teaching here because we can communicate with them anytime. We can get help even after classes, before classes. It's awesome. Yeah, I live in hostel of our university, and hostel is like being in hostel. The best part is I don't feel like I'm away from home. There are so many Indian students. Good outdoor facilities like nearby gyms, and we have cafe nearby our hostel. So that's.
I'm Shinu Philip from Kerala. I'm here to talk about Kharkiv Medical University, which is in Ukraine. Talking about the university, there is very good faculties and the highly educated teachers. The converse in English, it's totally English medium, and talking about the native place, that's Kerala. I have many friends from Kerala, and the Indian style is predominantly seen in Kharkiv. You feel like home.
My name is Komal. I'm from Amritsar, Punjab. My name is Jasmine Kaur. I'm from Amritsar, Punjab.
My name is Hitesh Bhardwaj. I'm from Chandigarh, India.
I like to study here very much because the university is very good and all the facilities are available in this university. The teachers communicate with us in English, and it's the best part of the studies that it's in English, and we try to learn Russian also so that we can communicate with the others, and it's I like this language also, Russian language. The teachers have very good experience of teaching, and other students like Indian students and other foreign country students, they also speak English. They all are helpful to us, and we have a lot of facilities in the university.
Yeah, I like this university because it has a good way of teaching. Here we have tests every week in every class. If we don't pass, we have to give work off, which is a good way so we can improve our marks.
My name is Manarpandeep Kaur and I am in 2nd year. I successfully completed my 1st year. Now my 2nd year is also going to be complete. Here studies are better as we have regular test practices, and we gain many things as compared to India. Our teachers are very helpful. They help us in everything, if any type of problem we have over here. So we enjoyed it. Somehow we interact with the Ukrainian people, and they are very nice in their interaction. If somehow we have problems in malls over there, they also help us, and they taught us many things related to the languages over here. And hostel, we are also living in the hostel even in the 2nd year, and students are very cooperative, and we enjoy living in hostels.